In food, excellent medicine can be found. In food, bad medicine can be found. Hippocrates. Hi, welcome to Latina Myth. I'm Dr. Adriana. Today we will debunk some myths. Are eggs good for your health? Do eggs increase cholesterol? And while we talk about it, I'm going to prepare a healthy egg recipe. In Colombia, we call this recipe huevos pericos. Let's get started. A few years ago, it was common to hear that we should limit egg consumption because it could increase cholesterol in the blood. Some doctors even said we shouldn't eat more than 1 egg per week, and the reason seemed to make sense. The leading cause of death worldwide is atherosclerosis. This term means clogged arteries that stop blood flow. Millions die each year from this condition. Atherosclerosis occurs when the walls of the arteries fill with cholesterol and other substances. And the truth is that eggs contain cholesterol in the yolk. That is why some people used to think that we should limit fatty foods to decrease atherosclerosis. But it was a mistake. To everyone's surprise, people who stopped consuming fats had higher cholesterol levels, and the number of deaths didn't decrease. Fortunately, now we understand why. Fats are a significant source of energy. When we stop consuming fats, we need to eat more. So we consume more carbohydrates to get the energy we used to get from fats. And guess what? The excess of carbohydrates increases triglycerides, cholesterol, and makes us obese. And eggs also have vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B9, B12, D, E, and K. They also contain choline, phosphorus, selenium, calcium, zinc, and antioxidants. Inside the yolk, there are many healthy fats, and the egg white is an excellent source of protein. I'm going to show you a trick to make softer and fluffier scrambled eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of water per egg and then mix well. The message of this video is that you should not be afraid of fatty foods. Every cell in your body needs fats to function correctly. Did you know that sex hormones are made from cholesterol? Did you know that vitamins A, D, E, and K are found in fats? We must debunk the myth that consuming fats clog our arteries and make us fat. What's increasing your cholesterol is the excess of carbohydrates, not exercising enough, too much stress, and less likely a disease, but not eggs. The truth is that some fats are healthier than others. The healthiest oil is olive oil. I use it for cooking, except for eggs because I don't like how they taste. For eggs, I prefer to use clarified butter or ghee. Butter indeed contains saturated fats that can raise cholesterol. But remember, cholesterol is not bad, only in excess. Ghee butter used within a balanced diet and used in moderation is very unlikely to harm us and may even have benefits. To make soft scrambled eggs, it is important to stir continuously. And how many eggs can we eat? A proper diet must be based on different types of food. Even if eggs are healthy, we shouldn't eat eggs only. Studies show us that 1 egg a day is healthy and does not cause any problem. However, most people can consume more than 1 egg every day and remain healthy. But remember, each person is different. I hope you like this delightful egg recipe. If you want to make healthier choices, click on the like button, subscribe, and activate notifications. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!